Modibo Keïta. Born June 4, 1915 in Bamako, Koura, in what was then known as French Sudan, now the Republic of Mali. Modibo Keïta was a visionary and an uncompromising Pan-Africanist, anti-colonial leader, and a trained teacher. He was born into the noble Mandé family that traced its ancestry to the legendary Keita dynasty, which ruled the ancient Mali Empire from the 11th to the 17th centuries. This royal heritage strongly influenced Modibo Keïta's sense of identity, leadership, and nationalism from an early age. Modibo Keïta had his primary and secondary education at the urban primary school and Lycée Terrasson de Fougères, now Lycée Askia Mohamed, all in Bamako. He proceeded to the École Normale William Ponty Teachers Training College in Dakar, Senegal, a prestigious training college for teachers and administrators, where Keïta graduated top of his class in 1936. After completing his studies, Keïta taught at schools in Bamako, Sikasso, and Timbuktu, Mali. He later got involved in politics as one of the founders of the Union of French Western African Teachers, which fought for higher wages and better working conditions for teachers across French West Africa. In 1946, Keïta helped found the African Democratic Rally, Rassemblement Démocratique Africain, and its local branch, the Union of Sudanese, USRDA. He emerged as a leader with exceptional oratorical and organizational skills, which qualified him for political positions within the French system itself. He was elected to the French National Assembly and later served as its vice president. In 1959, Modibo Keïta and Léopold Sédar Senghor led the formation of the Mali Federation, uniting the former French colonies of Senegal and French Sudan, now Mali, as part of the wider push for independence from France. Established on April 4, 1959, the Federation gained full independence on June 20, 1960, but soon collapsed due to political disagreements between its leaders. While Keïta leaned towards radical socialism, Léopold Sédar Senghor advocated for a more conciliatory approach towards France. Senegal withdrew from the Federation on August 20, 1960, after which the French Sudan became the independent Republic of Mali. On September 22, 1960, Modibo Keïta declared Mali's independence and became its first president. His administration adopted the socialist option as its development strategy, emphasizing state control of key industries, cooperative agriculture, centralized planning, and economic independence from former colonial powers. He also took a major sovereign step in 1962 by withdrawing Mali from the CFA franc zone and issuing the Malian franc, a move intended to achieve monetary independence but which led to inflationary pressures and difficulties in trade with neighboring countries. In 1967, in an attempt to contain the opposition and correct the course of the revolution as he saw it, Keïta launched what became known as the Cultural Revolution. He dissolved the National Assembly, suspended the Constitution, and established the National Committee for the Defense of the Revolution, Comité National de Défense de la Révolution. This action concentrated power in the hands of the ruling party and granted extensive authority to its popular militias, which targeted political opponents, merchants, and even elements within the army, thereby deepening internal tensions and instability. Modibo Keïta's political vision extended beyond Mali's borders, as he strongly supported the creation of a United States of Africa. He was a leading member of the Casablanca Group, working closely with figures such as Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Sékou Touré, and Ahmed Ben Bella. Together they advocated for immediate and deep continental integration, favoring a strong political union of African states rather than a loose system of intergovernmental cooperation. Keïta also supported other African liberation movements against colonialism, apartheid, and strengthened ties with socialist-oriented African states. he was actively engaged in the non-aligned movement. Through these efforts, he positioned Mali as a leading advocate for radical Pan-Africanism in the early post-independence period. On November 19, 1968, Lieutenant Moussa Traoré led a military coup that overthrew the government of Modibo Keïta amid mounting economic challenges and rising political dissatisfaction in Mali. The takeover encountered little resistance as widespread hardship had weakened public support for Keita's administration. Keita was arrested following the 1968 coup and detained, reportedly first in Kidal and later near Bamako. He remained imprisoned without trial for the rest of his life, under conditions that human rights organizations later described as harsh. Modibo Keïta died on May 16, 1977. His death triggered widespread protests during his funeral, reflecting the enduring support for his political ideals among sections of the Malian population, despite the shortcomings and challenges of his economic policies. Modibo Keïta is remembered as a courageous anti-colonial leader and a committed advocate of African unity and socialism, whose vision and political ideals left a lasting mark on Mali and the broader Pan-African movement.